Good morning, friends. I am Professor Jadhav Manoranjan. Here we are going to discuss today how to utilize the Google Classroom, the part 2 video. So I will discuss here what is the stream, what is classwork, what is people, and what is the advantage of this Google Classroom over the other online platforms. So you can do the you can record the your lecture by using the YouTube also, and you can share the YouTube link to the students. But this YouTube lecture is not effective because you are not present in front of the students live. So uh, if there is no live communication between you and students, they will not get in touch with you. So there will be no proper communication between you and your students. So this Google Classroom will help us to overcome this drawback of other platforms. So how to use this? So you go here to generate the, so you can see in this gray box, meet a link. So generate the meet link. You will go with meet video meetings. You can connect with the students for distance learning. You can manage the meet in your class settings. Generate a meet link. It will generate the link that will be visible to your students, right? Visible to your students. So I will, and after clicking on this link, student can directly enter in my video class. So for the time being, I will not uh, I don't want to show this link to my students. So once they join here, you can have the screen and you can talk face to face with your students. So this is the meet link shared with you, http hash double hash meet.google.com. Look up. This is the total link is shared with students. At schedule time, they will click this meeting code and will start the video lecture. So this is the streaming option, this is the live option, right? Then there is a classwork. So what is a classwork? Why it is beneficial than other online platforms? So in classwork you can create anything what you want. So there is an assignment, there is a quiz assignment, questions, then material, right? Then topic. So if I click on the assignment, so I can generate, suppose I want few students, suppose a group of students to solve this assignment, then I can select only those students. If I want all the students to solve this assignment, then I can select all the students. So there is this option, right? Then title of the assignment, I can give the title, instructions, then I can attach anything to it by using Google Drive link, file, or YouTube, right? Then I can give the instruction to it. Then I can select uh, points, say 20 points. We can give also due date, suppose 26th May. We can also give time. So here is due date, tomorrow 26th May 11:59 p.m. Topic, I have not created topic, so I cannot see it. I can also give the rubric, right? So how to create, how to guidelines for the solving the assignment. So if I assign this, all it will be assigned to all the students. So I have assigned this one MCQ test. I will show here. Okay, I have assigned these, students have solved this. So view the assignment, right? So my students, these number of students have solved this assignment, right? And these following students have not solved this assignment, so they are showing by a red line, that is there is something missing. So if I have given also the date and time, due date and time. So in few cases it is showing blank, and in few in front of few students it is showing done late. It means that I can reduce their marks, those have solved this assignment late. So it is very helpful. So I click here Amit Gowde. They have uploaded a written document here. No, it's a MCQ test, they have solved it. So one another I will show you. MCQ. Okay. Omkar Chaudhary 36. They have solved this. Right. Then so this is very helpful to all students, right, and all teachers to teach online. So descriptive test, unit for descriptive test I have uploaded, so you can see the students. Okay, this is the written document. So I read that document, that assignment they have solved, and give them mark 18. So then submit it. So the student is need to be assessed. So after reading this assignment I will put here some marks. So for example 16, right? It is saving. Saving. Return is written. So I have assessed this student. This cannot be done in YouTube channel or other Google other submissions, online submissions. So it is very useful. Thank you.